You don't want to miss this video. It'll teach you how to turn any speech into a video like this.
Everyone's talking about AI like it's magic, but most people still don't know how to actually use it to create real content.
Can you believe I was made with free AI? Look, my horns even glow. That's kinda awesome.
Yes, you heard that right. This was created using Grok AI and for free. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process, step by step, showing you exactly how to use the tool with real demos. I'll even show you how to create talking characters like this one. If you've watched previous videos in this series, get ready, because this episode includes brand new demos. By the end, you'll know how to turn any idea into AI-generated images and videos. I'll also share my own custom prompts, so you can modify them to make your own creations. Let's dive right in. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, so YouTube recommends more AI tutorials like this one to you. After opening the Grok AI website, link in the description, the first thing you'll need to do is log in to use the Imagine tool. I'm logging in with my Gmail account here. Quick note before we start, I'm not a paid Grok user. Everything you'll see in this video was made using my free account, so you can follow along without paying anything. Once you're logged in, click the Imagine button on the top left menu. You'll see endless examples, images, videos, and animations. I highly recommend browsing through them for inspiration. You can even check out the prompts behind each creation. Let's take a look at one. It's a great way to understand what kind of prompts generate certain styles of videos. Here's the message box where we'll type our own prompts. Alright, I think you're ready. Let's start the demos. Let's kick things off with a little brain rot. Interestingly, brain rot was chosen as Oxford's Word of the Year. Crazy, right? But today, we're turning that chaos into art. I'm entering a wild prompt, historical figures in a funny, over-the-top scene. You can find all these prompts in the description if you want to try them yourself. I hit generate, and boom, here are the results. They're hilarious, but I want something more cinematic. So in the same thread, I just type realistic and cinematic and hit enter. And look at that, the difference is insane. Now we've got movie-level lighting, detailed faces, and everything feels alive. Let's turn one of these into a video. I'm picking this one and just hitting make video. No custom prompt this time. This way, the AI builds everything automatically. I'll show you how to create custom ones in the next demo. And here's the result. This is wild. The expressions are completely over the top, the environment looks surreal, and somehow it's all beautifully absurd. Alright, let's move on to a demo using a custom prompt. Now we're testing how good this AI generator really is at making talking characters. I'm entering this prompt to create an animated forest creature, a cute little monster that can actually speak. The cool part is, you can now go straight from text to video. No need to create the image first. That's a new update from Grok AI. Let's hit generate.
Can you believe I was made with free AI? Look, my horns even glow. That's kinda awesome.
Okay, that's adorable. Exactly what I imagined. Pixar-style, ultra-detailed, and super cute. The speech is clear, and the voice fits perfectly with the look. I didn't even need to tweak it. Only one small flaw. The horns look more like they're burning instead of softly glowing, but honestly, that's fine. So yeah, this generator just turned a text prompt into a talking Pixar-style creature. We're officially living in the AI movie era. Alright, last time we made a creature talk. Now, let's see if this AI can handle something tougher, a human animation that speaks. I'm entering a prompt describing the character and including the exact line she should say. Just one single prompt, no separate voice or video setup needed. Let's hit generate and see what happens.
You don't want to miss this video. It'll teach you how to turn any speech into a video like this.
Wow, that's amazing. With just one prompt, it nailed everything. The look I wanted, the Pixar-style lighting, the realistic 3D depth. It all just works perfectly together. If you're a marketer or business owner, this is a game changer. You can announce updates, launch products, or share news in a fun, animated, totally AI-powered way. I can already hear some of you asking, wait, can it only do vertical videos? The answer is no, and I'll show you why next. To prove it's not limited to vertical videos, I first created a horizontal image version of the animation. Now I'm going to use that image as the source. I upload it and enter the same prompt again. This time only the part where the speech is defined, since we already have the detailed image. Let's see how it turns out.
You don't want to miss this video. It'll teach you how to turn any speech into a video like this.
Wow, it's really good again. The same clarity, animation quality, and depth of field. And now it works beautifully in widescreen too. The only tiny issue is a small click sound at the start, but that'll probably be fixed after a few more updates. So no, it's not just for vertical videos. This tool handles horizontal formats perfectly. A big step closer to professional AI storytelling. Now let's push things even further. This time, I'm going to try creating a longer video by stitching together 3 short AI-generated scenes. The trick here is keeping everything consistent. The same character, the same style. I'm imagining a cute little story about a kitten cooking in the kitchen. So first, I switch the tool from video mode to image mode. To create the first scene, I enter this prompt. In just a few seconds, I get countless options. I pick my favorite and save it. Now, I go to the same chat. This part is super important to maintain character consistency, and enter the second scene prompt. The results are perfect. Same kitten, same style, just a new action. I save that too and move on to generate the third one. After creating all 3 images, I switch the tool back to video mode. This time, I'll upload the images one by one and turn each into a short animation. Oh, that's adorable! The kitten's in a total kitchen mess, preparing ingredients, looking so alive, warm, and full of charm. I repeated the same process for the other 2 scenes. Same lighting, same kitten, totally consistent. After all 3 videos were ready, I stitched them together in an editor with subtle transitions. And here's the final result. Super cute, right? This would totally work for a family or kids channel. A fun way to make little ones love cooking. The only issue is that each clip came with different background music, but that's easy to fix with basic editing. Who knows? Maybe the tool will even handle that automatically in the future. Now, let's take this to a more creative level. Imagine you're working for a fitness app company and need a killer promo video. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can let AI brainstorm for you. I'm typing this prompt. Promote a new fitness app. Within seconds, countless creative ideas and ready-to-use images appear. And if you need horizontal visuals for YouTube or web ads, no problem. Just flip this toggle, and voila. Same concept, but now in widescreen. Let's take it further. I tell the AI, make it for Gen Z, and look at that. Totally different vibe. Bright colors, bold fonts, and a fresh energy, like we've just stepped into a Gen Z universe. Now, let's bring it to life. I select one of these images and ask the AI to make the character speak. Something short and catchy. Forget the excuses. Fitverse tracks your workouts, meals, and progress in one app. That looks awesome. Realistic lighting, sharp delivery, and the perfect social ad vibe. So there you go. In seconds, we've created a UGC-style ad in both image and video formats. Perfect for testing creative ideas without hiring actors or film crews.
Everyone's talking about AI like it's magic, but most people still don't know how to actually use it to create real content.
Pretty wild, right? The future of marketing is already here. That's a wrap for today. We just explored how you can turn wild ideas into full-on AI videos, from talking monsters to humans to full stories starring a little kitten. Pretty amazing, right? I'd love to hear from you. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick moment to reflect on what we've just seen. With Grok AI, you can now transform almost any idea, no matter how random or complex, into a complete AI-powered video. You can generate realistic images, create talking characters, produce cinematic scenes, and even build consistent multi-shot stories, just like the one we made with the kitten in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.